About a year ago, we bought this land with a beautiful view, and our plan is to build a little house where we can retire in. But first things first, the house is on quite a steep gradient, and we needed to excavate to make a platform where we can build the house. So I've asked this contractor to dig some trenches for us and also to cut a platform where we can work on. Today was quite a misty day and wet. The stand is quite a steep gradient. So the excavations took about 2 days. Our main challenges was the steep slope. Hier is omtrent waar die kombuis is. Begin ons uitgrou. Ons gaan tot daar waar Alfie staan. Daar waar hy staan moet ons so amper 2 meter diep grou. Armando, hy staan en kyk vir die werk. Hy hou toesig. Pragtige nuwe môre. We gaan ons weer verder grou. Hierdie oppervlak is nou amper reg en so 300 mm sak daar waar die bakket is. En die hoek ook so 'n bietjie sak. Dit is wat vandag lyk met die see daar in die agtergrond. Eiland. En ons grou bietjie. En dit gaan warm word vandag. Here we'll have to build a retaining wall to retain the soil. So the platform below will have the living areas, and at the top where the 2 people are standing, that's where the bedrooms will be. We managed to cut about a 2 meter deep platform. And this little machine really impressed me. Miss Kim and I sat down and we designed a house that we would love to live in. Small, but I think practical. After we designed it, I drew it out in 3D and then eventually gave it to an architect's company to do the plans for us and to do the submission of the plans for us. Eventually we could start digging our foundations. This was also quite a operation because we had to do it by hand. I brought in a team of 6 people, of which 2 are bricklayers and the rest are all laborers. Where they are digging now is the foundation for the retaining wall. That wall will retain the soil behind that. The engineer designed the foundation to be 1.2 meters wide and 350 millimeters thick and all reinforced. So it was quite an effort to dig that foundation. This is the foundation of the parking area at the top, which will eventually become a garage. Then we started digging the foundations for the house itself. With the foundations dug and a beautiful view in the background, we started tying all the reinforcing to reinforce the foundations. This is also done as per the specifications of the engineer. All this is the lower level of the house, which is the dining room, the lounge and the kitchen and a small guest bathroom. And then above the bathroom is also the staircase going up to the bedrooms at the top. With all the reinforcing in place, we started pumping concrete. Luckily, the concrete pump could reach the furthest part, only just. This was much more convenient pouring it by pump than to mix by hand and casting all these foundations by hand, especially with the slopes that we work on. There's the guy with the remote control who controls the pump and the boom. We're almost done. I think there's one truck still to come to fill up the last bit of the concrete. This is pretty much episode 1. In the next episode we'll start building out the foundation walls, and then you can follow along as we complete the building. The reinforcing that you see that is sticking out will be casted into the foundation walls. Be sure to come back for the next episode where we start building out the foundation walls.